everyone, I've been getting a lot of requests of how I tie my head wraps. So I'm going to show you today a few ways of how I tie my head wraps. The first way I'm going to show you is just a simple turban. I tie most of my turbans this way. Okay. First, you also want to make sure that you start off with a satin bonnet or something, you know, something satin on your head to protect your head, because you don't want your oils to come out of your hair. So, and also all of my fabrics that I make out of my hair wraps are cotton, so you want to protect your hair. So I will show you this one. Okay, let's do it like this. Make a tie. Make sure it's tight back here. Make sure none of your bonnet is showing or anything. Okay, so we're going to tie it. Make sure you tie it tight. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then I like to braid mine. So the looser you do this, the bigger your turban will be. And the tighter you do it, the smaller your turban will be. Then I like to wrap it around after I do that. Then all this extra, you just want to put under the bun. You can always put pins in it too. I usually don't put pins in it, but sometimes I do put pins in it. And that's how I tie most of my head wraps. Like I'm just, you know, running errands, you know, stuff like that. So it's just something simple like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you another way. Also, this is also available for head wraps. The black. And I make them in other colors too. Okay, so now I'm going to show you in another print. This is another way that I like to tie my wraps. Okay. So this one, go over like this. We're going to tie it like we tied the first one. Make sure you tie it tight. Make sure that bonnet is in there. Okay, so we tie it once, we're going to tie it twice. Same way. So we tied it once. Going to tie it twice. Okay, so now we're going to make a little opening in here. Okay, so now we're going to put both of these in there. This is going to create us some volume that you see that I have in a few of my pictures for head wraps. So you do one side, and then a lot of times I just like to play with the other side, so I'll like wrap it around, you know, and shove it in there. Or you can do something like that, or you can put this in there too with it, you know, and then you just play with it, you know. See how you like it to sit on your head. Okay, that's another way you could tie it. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more way. This one is really simple, easy to do. It's cute for on the go. Let's see. So this one, we're not going to make a tie, but we're going to crisscross it. Okay, so this one, I'm going to crisscross. Remember, don't tie it. We're not tying this one. I'm going to crisscross it. Make sure you get this all flat. I'm going to put this extra. Okay. Going to crisscross it again. Now all of this extra, we're just going to put in that first, in the extra that we had. This extra, I'm just going to put in here. See, so a lot of it, you just freestyle it, have fun with it, you know. Tie it how you like it. Okay, so that's another way. And I like to end off all of my head wraps with cute pair of earrings. I think it really, you know, sets off that head wrap. Okay. Sometimes I can never get my earrings in. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's a few ways of how you can tie your turban head wraps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See ya.